Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Xumo Stream Box stuck on hello screen, boot loop and factory reset guide. Xumo Stream Box freezes on the hello screen because an automatic firmware update was interrupted or corrupted during boot. To fix it, leave the box unplugged for 60 seconds before powering it back up. Let it sit completely undisturbed for 30 minutes to finish background downloads, or press the remote's home button 3 times rapidly to force the system past the freeze. Fix 1. The 30-minute firmware wait. When you first boot up or after a hard reset, the box displays the Hello logo and may go completely back. The issue is the box is downloading a mandatory firmware update in the background. The fix: do not unplug it. Leave it completely alone for 15 to 30 minutes. Unplugging it during this cycle corrupts the boot path and causes a permanent boot loop. Fix 2. Unsticking the Hello freeze via remote tricks. If the box remains frozen on the greeting screen and won't respond, community members have discovered specific remote commands to wake it up. The triple click. Press the home button on your Zumo remote 3 times fast. Users report this instantly forces the box past the stall screen. The home hold. Press and hold the home button down firmly for 5 to 10 seconds to force the box out of its hidden standby state. Fix 3. Hardware recovery protocol factory reset. Keep your TV powered on. Now unplug the power cord from the back of the Zumo box. Locate the small hardware button on the bottom or back of the Zumo box marked by two arrows facing each other. Reconnect the power cord and the instant you see the hello/Ola screen flash, press and hold the hardware button down for 15 seconds. Release the button, then immediately tap the remote's home button multiple times to force the system recovery and update sequence. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.